Meet the Network Device Monitoring System, a Python-powered solution for real-time network visibility. Add one or more IP addresses, choose the monitoring interval, and start. The dashboard checks every device automatically, showing online or offline status, response time, and overall availability. Live charts make latency changes and unstable devices easy to identify. Every important event is recorded, creating a useful history for troubleshooting and maintenance reports. The system is ideal for network support, school laboratories, and small businesses. Build smarter networks with Phil's Enterprise. Subscribe for more practical telecom, networking, cloud, and technology tutorials